CyberTruck FSD tries to drive into a box truck at an intersection. Luckily, the driver hard brakes at the last possible second to avoid a major accident. Folks are just out there freeballing on public highways with CyberTrucks in FSD mode. The owner disengaged brakes at the last possible second. Like, literally a single second more and he was toast. He's 2 feet from being fiery wreckage. The FSD cameras actually have no firm idea where moving vehicles are. They're jumping all over the place. From the center console, the blue line shows the path the truck intends to take. Before the emergency braking, it absolutely is on track to get T-boned. We are glad Tesla still ships brakes and steering wheels, at least for now. It's pretty nuts that this is allowed on public roadways. Like, one can't drive drunk. Why can Tesla's FSD drive even worse?